Now you can update your iPhone. Now you will get notifications like software update tonight or something like that when there is an update available. Now I'll teach you guys how you can update your iPhone, but before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing that you'll want to do is open up your settings. And after you open your settings, this is the initial page. And scroll down till you find the general option. Tap on general. Now right there you will see a software update option on the top. Tap on software update and there you will see if there is a software update available. Now since my device is up to date, I won't be having the software update available, but I'll show you guys how it looks like. So this is what it should look like, as it says right here. Update is available and there is an option to download and install. All you need to do is tap on download and install and it will start installing, and that is how you do it. And that is all for the video too, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.